Welcome guys back to my channel. I am Christina Davis and this is a little short clip to show you how I created a welcome sign for my daughter's upcoming 18th birthday celebration. So her theme was galaxy and we did invitations that had the galaxy stars and the colors of the blue and the purples mixed together. So I wanted to just demonstrate really quick. It's a really short video on how I put together just a very simple welcome sign that reflects her theme. I hope you enjoy it, guys. As usual, I created this design through Canva. Canva is my favorite. It lets me digitally be free with all my designs and create magic like I'm doing right now. If you have any questions, you can leave me comments below and I will go more into detail about how I created this. But it was just a quick view and I hope you guys like it and enjoy it and can't wait to celebrate. See you next time.